Yeah, thank you. Fourth.
Four. Yeah, 420.
420 is this way. Come on. Okay.
It's not that
Now it does. Okay.
Maybe at
Let's
least
see.
it opens.
Yeah. What do we have here?
No balcony.
No balcony. Ah, that's a shame.
I mean, that is not really bad because this costed us 46 films.
Yeah, because we had some credits, but we have some view. The window is not very clean.
Yeah, of course. I mean, I don't think
The view of the Dubai Marina. There is a pool and the beach.
Palm Jumeirah.
And there is a beach to swim over there, they allow, yeah? Okay. And in this room we have the bed. They told us that they'll bring the extra bed, or you sleep there.
They say that it's Daddy asked for a complimentary one. They
Yeah,
said
okay.
that you need to pay additional.
95.
Probably because there were so many people there.
And
We waited like so long.
and what else do we have? We have, well, everything is very basic here.
Yeah. I mean, I
Insert
can't
the card.
expect
Oh,
Insert it somewhere.
where? Oh, we're here.
the quest to insert the card.
Okay. And then we have
I hate
the
that.
bathroom.
Only
There's
shower.
a toilet
That's
and a
not
shower.
really-
No bus,
really
no
good
bus
for
stop.
me. I hope it-
Well, for one night it's okay.
a shower.
And we have some, yeah,
And we
say,
have a vault.
Nescafe. Really, I should have taken my coffee
Oh my
utensils.
god. Like seriously, my dad is crazy about taking his coffee. He can't live without his coffee set.
Good
Look,
coffee. Good coffee is good coffee. Nescafe is
look,
not a coffee.
Look, look. So this is Daddy. If he's in a hotel without coffee, without his coffee. I mean my coffee, I should turn it. I mean my coffee, I'm driving crazy.
Exactly.
I'll just booze up for it.
All right. See ya.
See ya.
So they have this pool and access to the sea. Towels. It's very hot. Okay, it's very hot. So let's go swim in the pool or in the sea. And then in the sea. Where?
I don't want to swim in the sea.
Let's check it. So this is how the hotel looks like from the outside. Some rooms have the balconies, ours don't. Yeah, ours is the cheapest. Let's go place it over here somewhere in the shades. Okay. Let's go. Well, it's deep. Come in.
For me, it's called shallow. I just put the balcony on and it's called before. Good. Daddy, they're playing ads. Daddy, did you hear that bass? Can you take a picture of me with this?
I can. It's July, so there is hardly any people at the beach. But the water in the sea should be very warm. Let's check it. I think it's very warm. It's not an open sea here, but still the water is clean. Oh, it's very warm. It's like in the bathtub. Hot, I would say. And that's the hotels. That's the Atlantis. Another Atlantis. I don't know what's those. That's Marina. Dubai Marina. And that's how it is. Oh, I'll skip for now later. Thank you.
Там є вхідний вода.